Hi, this is Dr. Richard Downs, and I have a patient that I want to introduce to you. And her husband had a lot of snoring and sleep apnea, and we treated him. So I wanted to just talk to you a little bit about the impact that has on patients who have or who are not being treated for their own snoring and sleep apnea. This is Jolene. Hi, Jolene.
Hi.
So your husband had bad snoring problem. Is that right?
Yes, he did.
And so he got treated when we did the testing on him. What do you remember? What kind of scores and readings he had?
I don't really remember the numbers. I remember it was kind of a mild.
Mild sleep
It was
apnea.
it was mild, but at home, he snored every night, all night long.
And how did that affect you?
Well, it made me so I didn't sleep, and I was constantly up all the time. And I actually thought it was that I always had to go to the bathroom because I'd get up, go to the bathroom,
right.
and try to go back to sleep, and that would probably happen like 4 or 5 times a night.
Yeah. So after he got treated with an oral sleep appliance, what happened?
So the first night that he had it, he didn't snore at all, and I actually thought that maybe he died in his sleep because no noise came out of him,
Okay.
and he does not snore at all now.
Okay. And how did that affect you?
Well, it made me so. First off, I stopped dreaming a long time ago because of being up all the time.
Right.
And so the first nights, I kept having like crazy dreams, like I was making up for all the dreams I didn't have. and so I get much better sleep, and I dream, and I don't get up at all in the middle of the night.
Right. When you still dream, but they're not crazy dreams.
No,
anymore.
not anymore.
Yeah, that's a phenomenon that happens after people haven't dreamt for a long time, and then they start finally having those deep sleep. That they actually get a rebound phenomenon in their dreams that are more vivid. Okay.
Right.
So anyway, so now you feel more rested and you don't get up at night.
Nope, I don't ever get up at night.
All right. Well, thank you. That's very nice to know.
Yep, you're welcome.
All right.